Could it be a turtle?
It looks like a turtle.
It walks like a turtle, but it's in the sky. It's a hermit crab named Jacques. See, look how cute he is. Oh. Oh. Hurry, hurry, Jacques. Look at his little shell. Oh. Oh. He's cute. Oh. He's in disguise at the moment. I don't know why it's got a turtle shell. He has a turtle shell. But yes, he's very cute. And his name is Jacques. And he's mine. Wahaha.